Hi everyone, welcome back to Balanced Bliss. The holiday season is officially here, and with it comes festive gatherings, warm memories, and of course the chance to throw a party that everyone will remember. Today, I'll share 15 elegant holiday party tips that will help you host with grace and style. Along the way, I'll sprinkle in some personal stories, expert advice, and even budget-friendly hacks to ensure elegance doesn't have to break the bank. So whether you're hosting a cozy family dinner or a glamorous soirée, I've got you covered. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more holiday inspiration. Let's get started. 1. Start with a thoughtful theme. Every successful party starts with a theme. It's not just for decoration. It ties everything together and creates an immersive experience for your guests. For example, a winter wonderland theme with whites, silvers, and soft blues transforms your space into a snowy dream. Or you can try a vintage holiday theme with warm reds, greens, and nostalgic touches like antique ornaments or candlesticks. One year, I did a cozy cabin theme. I filled the space with plaid blankets, wooden serving boards, and even pine-scented candles. It was simple, yet so memorable. What's your favorite holiday theme? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas. 2. Invitations that impress. Your invitation is like a sneak peek into the party. A beautifully crafted invite, whether it's paper with gold foil or a stylish digital evite, builds excitement and sets expectations. Here's a pro tip I got from a party planner. Always include a dress code. It helps your guests feel prepared and sets the tone. Something like cocktail attire with a festive twist adds a fun element. And if you're short on time, platforms like Canva make it easy to design stunning digital invitations. 3. Curate a memorable entrance. First impressions count. A well-decorated entrance lets your guests know they're about to step into something special. Think of a festive wreath, lanterns, or a red carpet runner for a glamorous touch. On a budget, grab some greenery from your backyard or local park, add a few fairy lights, and voila, instant charm. Last year, I even lined my walkway with candles in mason jars. It was a simple, affordable way to create a warm welcome. 4. Dress the part. As the host, you're part of the party's decor, so dress to impress. Choose timeless fabrics like velvet, silk, or sequins for that holiday sparkle. Last year, I wore a dark green velvet dress that matched the theme of my party, and let me tell you, it made me feel so festive. Remember, your confidence is your best accessory, so wear something that makes you feel fabulous. 5. Signature cocktail magic. Wow your guests with a signature drink that's as gorgeous as it is delicious. Cranberry champagne spritzers are always a hit, but I recently discovered a spiced pear martini recipe. It's elegant and unique. Want to keep it budget-friendly? Set up a DIY drink station with Prosecco or sparkling water as the base, and let guests mix their own creations with syrups, fruit, and herbs. It's interactive and takes the pressure off you to serve all night. 6. Create a mood with lighting. Lighting is the secret ingredient to creating an unforgettable ambience. Use dimmed lighting, candles, and string lights to make the space feel warm and inviting. One tip I learned from an event designer. Use lighting at different levels. Candles on the table, string lights overhead, and even some uplighting near plants or walls to create depth. It's an easy way to elevate your decor. 7. Set a stunning table. A beautifully set table is the star of any holiday dinner. Use layered textures, like a velvet runner, metallic chargers, and crystal glasses for a luxe feel. On a budget, DIY some of the elements, like folding cloth napkins into festive shapes or using sprigs of rosemary as place card holders. Guests will notice and appreciate these thoughtful details. 8. Embrace the power of scent. Don't forget to engage the sense of smell. Simmer pots with cinnamon, orange peels, and cloves are my go-to. They're inexpensive and fill your home with a cozy holiday aroma. 9. Elevate your playlist. Music sets the tone of your event. Stick to classics like holiday jazz or acoustic versions of carols. And here's a tip. Create a playlist that evolves throughout the night. Soft, inviting tunes for the beginning and more upbeat tracks as the party picks up. 10. Offer an interactive food station. Interactive food stations are always a crowd pleaser. I love setting up a hot cocoa bar with toppings like whipped cream, peppermint sticks, and mini marshmallows. You could also do a DIY charcuterie station. It's fun and encourages mingling. 11. Signature scented hand towels. Here's a tip for elevating your bathroom setup. Provide rolled hand towels with a light spritz of lavender or eucalyptus. It's a small touch that feels so luxurious. 12. Serve bite-sized elegance. Go for elegant, bite-sized appetizers, like smoked salmon canapés or mini quiches. These are easy to make, and your guests can enjoy them without juggling plates and drinks. 13. Plan for seamless flow. Make sure your layout encourages movement. Spread out your food and drink stations to avoid crowding. This creates natural spaces for conversation and mingling. 14. Thoughtful party favors. Send your guests home with something thoughtful, like mini candles or festive ornaments. One year, I DIY'd ornaments with cinnamon sticks and twine. It cost less than $1 per guest but made a big impact. 15. Be a graceful host. Finally, remember that as the host, your energy sets the tone. Be present, make introductions, and most importantly, have fun. A warm and welcoming host is the secret to a great party. That's a wrap on our 15 elegant holiday party tips. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other holiday videos for more inspiration. Cheers to a season filled with joy, style, and unforgettable memories. Happy holidays!